Percentile ranks are particularly useful in relating individual scores to their positions in the entire group. A percentile rank is typically defined as the proportion of scores in a distribution that a specific score is greater than or equal to. This is the formula being used. Percentile rank of x is equal to the number of values below x over n times 100, wherein x is the score that you would like to determine the percentile rank, and n is the number of observation. So we have here a table showing the daily income of 10 families from A to G. So they're already arranged from family of lowest income to the highest income. Now, if you are asked to find the percentile rank of family H among other families, so our subject here is family H. Now, to find the percentile rank, we're going to use this formula. So notice that the number of values below x here is 2. It is because there are 2 families below our subject, which is H. So that's why it is 2 right here. Now, why is it our n is 10? It is because the number of observation is 10. So if we're going to count the number of families being observed here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's why our denominator here is 10. We will then solve. 2 divided by 10 is 0.2. Then 0.2 times 100 is 20. So the percentile rank of family H is 20%. Now, how do we interpret this? So therefore, we can say that family H income is at the 20th percentile rank. Okay, let us take this given example. Now, our subject here is the family C. Alright, so we will just identify from the family C how many families are there below the family C. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is why our number of values below x is 7. So our denominator or n is 10 because that's the number of observations. 7 divided by 10 is 0.7. 0.7 times 100 is 70%. So it means the family C's income is at the 70th percentile rank.